Dudes back again, channel Open-Minded Folk. So checking out might possibly be a direct request from the artist in our comments. So.
Somebody requested and Mike saw it, so we're gonna get 2 views. Dropped and then this female voice just carried it to the end.
Those vocals are fucking weird.
Whoa, like honestly, it's like the whole thing was put together and mixed, but then it wasn't like mastered and finished. Is what the music sounded like to me. It was like a fresh open can of music, and like there was no top on it, you know what I mean?
Their vocals like melded together to me.
And that it was so.
At first, I'm like, is this one person? And then I'm like, oh fuck.
No, yeah, it was like a conversation. But like, did you hear what they were talking about?
Yeah,
like
caught some of it.
It was like all like, I don't know. Like I took it as against wokeism and like just right up my. I'm a fan of that. I really, honestly liked that.
Let's get some views on that beach.
What is it? What are they called again?
Sons of Kings.
Sons of Kings, New Day. I mean,
set it off, let it off.
Do they have another one? Is there more?
Ding, ding. That's it.
Well, I mean, it's because you're looking up New Day and stuff, but like. 8 subscribers. We're one of them. We subscribed. Are you subscribed to Sons of Kings? Wait, no, this is
playing football.
Not them.
Omni Beast. Soul expansion. Let's check it. That sounds like
this. Okay. Omni Beast is the channel.
Now I'll pop up on your couch, just a poly on the flip note. Before I left, disappeared like presto. Let's go, let go of all that extra. some empathy, like nothing new. Improvements a must when you practice what you do, what you love. It's a feeling you can trust and get busted. It's all a bust when it's all for nothing. It's all a rush when you crush it. I can't get enough, keep discussing how I'm so disgusting. I get accustomed to the suction. Don't go gushing, cause you're lusting. Don't go lushing, flushing that substance for sustenance. Just assumptions, paid at first glance. If you really want it, then you gotta take a chance and flutter. Gonna try to talk and stutter. Gonna try to walk and stumble. Gonna try to dance and tumble. Gotta have that vision, funnel, tunnel, shovel, rubble, kick the crumble, skip the puddles. Don't be timid, keep it subtle. Gotta get about that bubble. Gotta live a life worth living. Gotta find the meaning, hit it, in it, get it, rip it, live it, give it. Gotta push it to the limits. Pay no mind to the critics. Gotta leave a marks in the streets. Leave a concrete with footprints in it.
Why is it
Your friends, man, damn, it's been a minute. Celebrate the moment, get up in the movement, move with an emotion together as a unit. It's our time to own it. Show 'em how we do this. We can make improvements. Celebrate the moment, get up in the movement, move with an emotion together as a unit. It's our time to own it. Show 'em how we do this. We innovate the soul, we make improvements. So in the order of the nation, I hear my mama's voice say, "Right up because my eyes get up the gift. Face before I stand tall, y'all I have to fall prostrate. Listen to the heart that I be broke before gospel. And that's a dog way for me to say that I love Yahweh with all and I stay through it in my own way. Listen, bitch, it walk, got me sitting with the long face, worried about the outcome of a court that and then hopes that you're still to see it your way. You went from going this to Chevy Bunk Bench with tragic. Trouble won't always come, but trauma stays a while. Producing a full grown man with the mind of a child with the deals. Seem like everybody get their feelings. Acting like a bunch of savage ass cabbage fast kids. Won't stand on principle, screaming, they stand on business. Wanna don't they keep them mule ass, we're talking bullshit. Perception of reality, can you please explain? Tell me how you see it. Can you even say, can you break it down into plainest layman's language? What's your perspective, your motive, your objective? What do you believe that you've ever been invested? Are you invested in a worldview that was tested? Show to be approved to taking losses, learning lessons. Are you depressed or putting pressure on depression? And that's some graffiti from the hallways of your mind. And you can't unsee it even when you close your eyes. Now that's some graffiti from the hallways of your mind. And you can't unsee it even when you close your eyes. Celebrate the moment, get up in the movement, move with an emotion together as a unit. It's our time to own it. Show 'em how we do this. We innovate the soul, we make improvements. Celebrate the moment, get up in the movement, move with an emotion together as a unit. It's our time to own it. Show 'em how we do this. We innovate the soul, we make improvements.
That chorus is fire.
What are these guys called again? Sons of Kings?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Sons of Kings?
What the hell?
They're not on Apple Music.
Yeah, they're super fucking underground. We out. Peace. Hit us up. That was cool.